Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start trading BUSD in your Trust wallet. So with that being said, let's open one of price tracking website that you trust or you're comfortable using. For me, I'm good with CoinMarketCap. Why? Because it has so many options, so many tokens, and it is not a scam. So we go ahead here and click on the search bar, write token name. For us, we are using BUSD, and click on the first one. Now we have so many options like BNB Beacon Chain and Ethereum network, BNB Smart Chain, AVAX, and so many other options as you can see. For us, we'll start with Ethereum. We can click on it, or just click on the copy address right here. Now with that being said, you can copy it even from here. And now let's go to our Trust wallet. Now after opening our Trust wallet, go to wallets and we buy some salt, because you need some salt to start trading, of course. So for example, we'll buy some Ethereum, like it in here, choose the amount that you want and click next. Now guys, you can choose between these methods like Visa card or MasterCard, or even Apple Pay. And now we go back after buying these salts, and now we go to the apps. For this, we will need the Ethereum network, so we will go in here and write Uniswap, and it will open like that. Click on the first one, click on Launch App, and it will connect your wallet automatically. Please make sure that you are on Ethereum main network, and then click here, select a token, and pass the token just like that. Now you have the BUSD. Click on import, and here you go. Now you can swap Ethereum into BUSD, or by click on this arrow right here, you can swap BUSD into Ethereum. So with that being said, please guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future tutorials. See you guys and have a great day.